What's up guys, and welcome to Reklez Suspenison Works YouTube channel. My name is Julio. I am also the voice behind the videos that you see on our channel. Now with that being said, I want to say thank you to all our subscribers, whether you're new or have been a subscriber for a long time. Thank you. Thank you for supporting our channel. If you are new to our channel, we hope that you enjoy our videos and you consider subscribing, and also welcome to our channel. Now for you guys that have been subscribers for a while, maybe even recently have seen our videos, y'all know that I normally do not come out on videos, and I would have loved to have kept it that way. However, for this year, we're gonna try something a little bit different. We're gonna be doing videos, kind of a series, if you will, for the pricing video. I have not forgotten about you guys. It just has been very difficult to try to provide enough content to fill those videos. In other words, it's more of an explanation that I have to do than showing you. It's kind of explaining what the detailed process is and doing the pricing. So with that being said, we're gonna try this out. Bear with us as we are trying to see how our channel goes, where we try to make it grow and whatnot. And thank you for the support. And of course, we always love the feedback. You guys let us know if this is something that you like, or you want something different, or if there's a suggestion for videos. We really love you guys' input. It does really help us out. So with that being said, without further ado, let's get to the video.
Perfect. Okay guys, that's what we're going to be working on today. Is an 88 through 98 Chevy Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive single cab. It is a straight bed, as y'all guys can see, and is running a 15-inch wheel all the way around. We're going to be doing 3-inch control arms, our C-notch, flip kit, lift shackle, and rear shocks.
So as mentioned earlier, we had to swap out the 3-inch control arm, the lower control arm, which is here. It comes with its bump stop, sway bar end link, and it also replaces the ball joint. So you can see that there, and there's the grease fitting to service that there. So that's going to provide us the 3 inches worth of drop. Also, as a good maintenance tip, we went ahead and replaced the shock. See that in there. There you go. The shocks were replaced. We do get asked if we have to replace them with drop shocks, and the answer to that would be no. As long as you're within a 4-inch drop, so that's your 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch drop, you can still keep the factory shocks. Once you do the 5-inch drop, then that's when we would recommend for you to swap out the front shocks. One thing I would like to mention is, it's going to be kind of hard to see, but the upper control arms, there's a little tabs, and people call them knockouts. The knockouts have to be done in order for the alignment to be done. On this vehicle, believe it or not, as old as it is, it had not been aligned before because the knockouts had not been removed. So we went ahead and did that as part of the installation, so we'll be able to align this truck back to specs. I know I just mentioned about the 3-inch control arms, but I was showing you the passenger side, and just real quickly showing you the driver's side, same thing, 3-inch control arm. We have done videos in the past with the spindles and control arms, spindles and coilovers. I might have to do a video with the spindles and springs, or maybe do a comparison video, like a pros and cons between lower control arms and spindles and springs. If that's a video that you guys would be interested in seeing, please comment down below and let us know that that would be a video you guys would be interested in seeing, and hopefully we can go ahead and make a video for that. For the back, is straightforward guys. We went ahead and did the 6-inch flip kit, as you can see here. That's it. Basically, you guys know that have been watching our videos, flipping means putting the leaf springs on the bottom of the axle instead of on top where they were. Again, I mentioned this is a 6-inch and we're doing a 5-inch drop. The way we achieve that is by installing a lifting shackle, which is a little bit dark to see, but that's the lifting shackle. That will bring this back up 1 inch, will give us a total of a 5-inch drop. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're at a 5-inch drop or lower, we do recommend for you to change the shocks. So we went ahead and did that for the rear. We're using Belltech Street Performance shocks. Also our notch kit with bump stops, and that pretty much wraps up the back for this one. This is the end result of the 3.5 drop kit. It does also work on extended cabs, in case you guys were wondering. we just had the pleasure of working on this single cab. The alignment was great, it rode incredible. I know the customer is going to be very pleased with the end results, and thank you guys for following along on this video. Okay guys, that concludes the end of our video. Thank you for watching and for supporting our channel. If you haven't already, hit the like and turn on notifications so you'll be notified when we upload our latest video. Now with that being said, we want to add a small section to the end of our video, maybe 2 to 3 minutes long. I want to run this by you guys, see what you guys think. It'll be a 2 to 3 minute section of commonly asked questions. So if you have any questions on this video, we'll go ahead and look through them, the ones that are common or the most asked, and basically answer them in the next video, so forth and so forth. If that's something you would be interested in, let us know. I want to hear your feedback, see what you think about that. And also I want to know if you have any ideas or any other ideas, for other videos. So please comment that down below, as it really helps us bring you more videos, more content, what have you. So with that being said, we really appreciate you guys supporting us and seeing how this works out. Kind of interested in seeing how this works out for us as well. We're really excited about this year and the new projects that we're going to be showing you guys. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at area code 832-770-4366. That way we can provide you with pricing or any technical question you might have. So as always, thank you for watching. God bless.